Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are doing a review from a company called Zegzoop. It's actually a really neat product, I have to say. So what it is, as you can see in the very far back, like if you need to carry something, you can't really connect it to the walls or the sides of the truck. But this product actually does let you do that. It's pretty much like a grate that goes. The one that I'll be installing, just to kind of see what it looks like, it's just going to be on the very back of the or the front of the truck. Whereas you can buy them for both sides as well, which would be great for tools and stuff like that. So we'll kind of look at what comes in the packaging and then actually install it and see how it holds up to see if it's a product we would recommend. So here's the video of the front bed Molle panel. They're made out of metal. There's a couple of them here. You see it comes with like screws and nuts and everything to put it together. Some straps. You have details here, which kind of walk you through how to install it. Doesn't look super complicated. You're essentially just taking this and just putting it in 3 sections to the bed of the truck. And if you get the package with all of them, you can actually do them all the way around the truck as well. So you can like hang stuff off there, and it makes really good use of space. But this is kind of what happens when you open the box. This is everything that it comes with. It does have an install guide. The YouTube link's there. There's also a QR code, which is cool. So I'm gonna pull that up and we'll get this installed and see how it looks and see how it functions. So the Molle system has been installed and this is what it looks like. Honestly, I think this looks really cool. It was not difficult to put together. All you have to do, the install video comes with the instructions, but just kind of like the simple terms of it, you just have to take the screws out of the bed rail. There's just like a couple up there. And then you just put brackets in and then just put a couple screws in and stuff. It's super simple. But this is what it looks like. I think it looks really nice. It is very durable. Now, one thing to note, they do have tools to take this out and put something here so it doesn't like swing. That's not how it's designed, but for my needs, I'm okay if it swings a little bit. So it's totally up to you if you decide to install the bottom part. It definitely would make it more secure, but this is very durable. Metal. It's not plastic. It's not lightweight. It's not something that's going to last a year and then break on you. It's very durable. I believe it might be powder coated. It doesn't look like it's going to rust or anything, but I think it looks really nice. Very sturdy. But yeah, so this company they make these panels that go all the way around the truck. So this is just to kind of get a look of kind of what it would look like. They also make it for this side and that side. So you would be able to tie everything down in there if you wanted to. But I was like, well, let me just get the back one just to kind of see how it looks. But I do actually really like it. The way it's set up, it's not resting. So it's not resting on anything on the actual truck. So it's not going to scratch up. So if you need to remove this like a year from now, you're not going to have a scratch or scuff marks or anything like that, which is great. I love things like this where you just install a bracket and it kind of like hovers over the edge, doesn't touch on any of the sides. But there's like 1,000 loops, so you can hook stuff to it at any height, at any angle, which is great. I think that's really cool. I think this company did a great job with this product. I think it's actually really cool. And the fact they make it for both sides as well is really cool. So I'll put a link to all that in the description of this video if you are interested in it. But I like it. I think it looks really nice. See from a little further away. And it's functional. It looks good. and it's functional. It really adds that kind of like manly look to the truck. I mean, the truck's already pretty cool, but you can just put like 10,000 zip ties or ratchet straps or anything you want to it. It'll keep your stuff from sliding around, which I think it'd be super helpful to have those on these sides as well. But yeah, there it is. It's the Molle system. Real easy to install. Took maybe like 30 minutes. And it was a little more difficult for me because I do have an actual bed cover. But the good news is, if you have a bed cover, you don't have to take it off. Now, if you get the ones on the sides, you probably will have to mess with the bed cover some. So just a heads up. If you do have a bed cover, or if you're planning on getting one, I would recommend installing this first. But yeah, that's what it looks like. It's great. Functional, nice design to it. So, as always, thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one.